Hi, this is Marc Cormier and welcome back to the series on selling your house yourself. This is the fourth video in the series. This one's going to talk about legal documents. Depending on where you are, Maryland, Virginia, DC, each one has different documents. So what I'm going to do right away is I'm going to attach a link to this video, and it's going to have the basic sales contract for Maryland, Virginia, and DC. So that'll give you some paperwork. It's a blank contract. You're going to have to speak to an attorney to get legal advice on the contract itself, but at least it's somewhere to start. The last video we talked about staging, and the one before that we talked about the importance of pre-qualifying and talking to the client, talking to the prospective buyer, and asking the questions that need to be answered before you get into a long, drawn-out negotiation with somebody who can't afford a house. So now you've qualified them, you've verified their credit, you've had the lender verify that they actually qualify for the loan, and you've staged your house. So congratulations, now you have somebody who wants to submit an offer. So what do? You go through, take your time, read the contract, familiarize yourself with the contract. Everything is negotiable, so you may want to actually take out parts of the contract, but again, you need to speak to an attorney regarding that. The contract is written so it's fair for both the buyer and the seller. There are certain things that you need to know right off the bat. Anything that's attached to the house, the buyer has a right to expect that they're going to get. So if there's a chandelier or something that has sentimental value or you want to take with you, make sure you take it down and just replace it with something else. If the dishwasher, if you plan on taking a washer, dryer, or dishwasher, any of the appliances, you need to let them know, and you'll see in the paperwork that there is a place to say what's included. It's called inclusions, exclusions. So anyhow, you want to make sure that your legal documents are all in order. Figure out, you want to have that planned out ahead of time so that when you do get an offer, A, you can direct them on how to submit the offer to you, and B, you don't have to keep going back and you think you have a contract and all of a sudden you realize you're missing something. So take your time, look at the documents, feel free to ask me any questions. I'm not an attorney, I'm a realtor, but I deal with these documents every day, and I'd be glad to either give you standard practices, or at the same time I can refer you to an attorney that handles our real estate transactions. All right, good luck. Talk to you soon.